All right, guys, let's get started. This is a chart on oil futures from today. Beautiful sell-off. Nailed it. Here's the NQ from today. 3 different setups. Nailed it. And a special treat for you guys. Here is Apple. Okay, for all you stock traders out there, here is Apple from today. Beautiful short setup. Nice and early in the morning for a gigantic winner. All right, so what I'm going to show you here in this video is how to keep your cool and master price action trading. Let's get started with oil futures and let's do this. All right, what's up, traders? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. Hope your trading week is going well, but more importantly, hope you're staying safe, you're staying healthy, and staying indoors. If you guys are like me, then this is the first time in 20 years, okay, at least for me, that I've ever had to work from home, right? I mean, for me, the whole point of having an office is to get away from home. And what I'm about to say, some of you guys out there might take offense to, so that's not my intention, but the novelty of working from home has kind of worn off, right? And you guys know what I'm talking about, right? The first week, it was great. Hanging out with the kids, getting work done in your pajamas, it was great, right? And now, 4 weeks later, banging my head on the wall, right? And for those of you guys that have similar experiences, please post your comments and your stories about how you are managing this lockdown. I would love to know, all right? Okay, so anyway, back to business here. Have you guys been following what's been happening in the oil futures markets? Okay, I don't care what you trade, futures, Forex, or stocks. Oil trades on every asset class. You can trade oil futures, you can trade oil Forex, and you can most certainly trade oil stocks. Okay? Now, the volatility in the oil futures markets has been unbelievable. We are averaging 5 to 10% daily moves. Today was no exception, okay? So for those of you guys at home following along, what I am using is a Dyno Bar speed setting of 1,000, and don't forget we are on the June contract now, okay? So it's CL 06-20. You can see that here in the top, all right? And guys, this is what the price action chart looked like on oil futures today. We only got one short signal right there, and the textbook retracement happened at 8:17 a.m. I mean, you could not ask for a better setup, okay? While all those morons, and there's a lot of morons that are trying to go long oil. I don't know why, right? The whole world is flooded with oil. I want to see oil trading at 10 bucks, okay? But I have to keep reminding people that investing is not the same as trading, right? Day trading is an entire different ball game. You don't care if the market's plunging. You don't care if the market's rallying. Like we had another great trading day yesterday. I mean, Jesus Christ, look at these moves yesterday on oil, right? Short signal, long signal. You draw your highs, you draw your lows, you draw your highs, you draw your lows. I mean, you tell me, okay? Just in 2 trading sessions, this was over $4 in oil, okay? That's about a potential $8,000 just trading a few contracts. Okay, but anyway, here's my point, right? I think regardless of whatever market you trade, whether it happens to be oil futures or if it's the NQ futures or even if it's Apple stock or Tesla stock or Facebook or whatever you stock traders out there are trading, you have to focus on a price action chart, okay? What does price action mean? I'm going to break it down for you in 2 seconds, all right? So this is it. These are the only 2 steps you need to master if you want to successfully day trade without using any indicators at all, and you just want to master price action, okay? This is it. I wish I could give you a long, giant PDF document like all these morons are pitching to you in their chat rooms and their courses and their mentorship. Forget that bullshit, right? This is it. These 2. If all you did starting today was master these 2 concepts, guys, I will promise you, you're going to transform your trading on day one. It's not possible to do anything else, right? Success is going to find you. You don't need to chase success. when you let the price come to you in the form of a retracement. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump over to, yep, you guessed it, the T-bar chart, and all I've done is I've drawn this red dino signal bar in the T-bar chart. Let's go back to our 2 steps. Step number 1, wait for a trend signal, okay? Here's the trend signal. Step number 2, look for opportunities to get in on a retracement. What does that mean? Okay, what that means is everything to the right of this red line, we are now looking for shorts. How do you look for shorts? We want to draw trend lines connecting 2 dots in this fashion, this type of slope, right? So I will let you take a look at the T-bar chart. You tell me, how about those 2 pivot points right there, right? You tell me, does that look like a trend line to the short side, okay? And of course, you tell me, did the trend line break to the short side? Did you place your stop 1 tick above the most recent swing low? And this thing spent the rest of the session selling off hard, okay? And everything I just showed you here in the T-bar chart happened right in this box. Again, guys, 2 steps. Wait for the trend signal, and then get in on a retracement, okay? I just don't know how it's possible to use any other trading method, okay? I'm not saying anybody else who's using indicators is wrong or they're stupid, but you have heard me call them a moron many times. And yep, they are stupid, right? I absolutely do not respect anybody or anyone who uses indicators, right? So this is the secret to price action, guys. It's not even a secret, right? It's very well known in the trading community. Expert level traders, senior level traders, guys who've been trading for 20, 30, 40, 50 years. This is how they trade. All asset classes, right? This is just oil. Here's the NQ. Once again, look at these setups. How about Apple? All you stock traders out there, you know, I rarely ever post charts on stocks. I just don't like stock trading. There's so many reasons why, not the least of which being tax advantages. You pay so much more in taxes with trading stocks than you would ever pay compared to futures trading, right? But I mean, that's a video for another time. But listen, you know, price action is gonna work on any market, right? The 2-step rule, which is wait for a trend signal, get in on the retracement. How did it look on Apple? Let's see. Wait for a trend signal and then get in on a retracement. Right? Simple as that, folks. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions on the dyno bars and T-bars, get in touch. Okay, it's been a great trading week this week, and this is basically the new normal. This is kind of what we're going to have to get used to over the next 6 months. You just got to deal with it. And if you can capture these type of moves every day for the next 6 months, think about how well off you're going to be after 6 months, right? Master your craft. That's how you get good at anything in life. And trading is no different. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on the next trade.